Yo, if you on PS5, I don't know if this works for I don't know if this problem's on PS4 or Xbox One or the new Xbox, but if you're on PS5 right now as of December 20th and you can't find any online lobbies, you have to switch it from this is the regular PS5 version of the game, right? Can't find no fucking lobbies. You see how long this shit take. You have to switch it to the PS4 version to find a damn lobby for some reason. Because as you see right now, it can't find nothing. So if you can't find no players, go to the PS4 version, and it should work. And your menu would start off different too. So game version, PS4. Click it. Wait, no. They didn't work yet. Hold up. You'll know it works till the menu right there will be different. Like literally as soon as you click it. Yeah, PlayStation 4. See? So if it start off like this on your PS5, then it's gonna work. Don't know why it is, but been having a problem for like 2-3 days where I couldn't find shit. So yeah, after all you gotta do is this: put the put the PS4 version on your PS5. I have the digital version, so I don't know if the disc version will work, but it should also. And then let's see. Hold on. And as you can see, it has the Nuketown, the holiday one. And that's how you know it's pretty much gonna work. So let's see. Yep, see, there you go. All right, peace.